you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a regular day of my life. I just took a bath and my hair, as you can see, before few months my hairs were not like this. Now I'm very much in love with my hairs. I was having a huge hair fall and dandruff and almost it was very pathetic condition. For few months, it's about 2 months, I'm using a product, Ayurvedic product, which is helping me out to bring new hairs. You can see small hairs here, small hairs growing. I'm sharing this thing with you all guys because nowadays not only girls but boys even equally they have the same problem of hair fall. I felt the benefit of this product, so I'm just sharing with you. I'm not being sponsored from the company to advertise this product. I loved the product personally, so I'm sharing it with you. The product is Vedix. It is a customized product, and yes, the product will be delivered to you according to your hair condition. They will ask you few questions which you have to reply through links, and then you will receive this product. It will have hair oil. It will just look like this from inside. There is a hair oil. This is the hair oil. Then a shampoo, and also a serum, The every processes are all written inside this box. There's a chit inside this box from which we can understand what we have to do, how you have to use the product. You will get every description there. Yes, and also I will share the link below in my description box. If you want to use this product, you can go through this link. And okay, बहुत बातें कर लिया. Now today I'm going to share with you a special and also a easy and a regular dish for lunch. That is it's a non-veg dish, mutton curry. So let's go and cook. Today we are going to cook mutton curry with urad dal. I have soaked the urad dal overnight and cleaned the chilkas. Now I'm adding the urad dal in the cooker. Urad dal is known as kalai dal or mash kalai in Bengali, and in English it is black gram. I added the urad dal in the cooker and added half cup of water and half teaspoon of salt in it. I'll bring it to 3 whistles and let it cool down. Now I will start preparing the mutton curry. I have took 8 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai. I let it heat it, and then I added 2 chopped onion and also half teaspoon sugar. Sugar brings a beautiful golden brown color of onion and also a nice texture. So I added half teaspoon sugar. If you don't want to add sugar, you can skip. Our onion turned a slight golden color. Now I'm adding chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and then I will add the chopped green chilies. Give them a nice mix. Our onions turned beautiful golden color. Now I will add the muttons in them. I marinated the mutton yesterday night itself and kept it in the fridge. This brings a nice taste when you marinate the mutton overnight and keep it in the fridge. I just added in the marination a spoon of turmeric and 4 to 5 teaspoon lemon juice. Now I'll cook it in high flame for some time so that everything get fried properly. Then I will add water and then I'll bring the mutton to boil. While the muttons were getting fried with the onions and all, I added 2 to 3 teaspoon of dhania powder and 2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then I gave it a nice mix and left it in high flame again for some time. The muttons got fried in high flame. Now I will add half cup water in it and bring it to boil. I will also add 1 to 2 teaspoon of salt. Salt is according to taste, and I'll cover it with a lid for some time and let it boil. Also check it in between, is the mutton getting properly cooked or not. It's almost 30 minutes, the muttons are getting boiled. Now I'm going to add the boiled urad dal in the mutton curry. They will get again boiled together for 15 to 20 minutes and then the curry will be ready. After adding the urad dal, I covered it again and then I kept on boiling it for 15 to 20 minutes. At last, I added half teaspoon of garam masala and the dish is ready. This is the final outcome of the dish. I served it with plain rice. You can have it with roti too. I had some orders from Myntra and from Amazon. It has arrived today itself. And I'll share with you this all also. Let's see what we have. First, that is, I gave black kurti order. You can see guys, this is the black kurti. It's below knee length. This is the kurti and its quality is very good. I prefer Myntra for its quality. Their qualities are very preferable and very nice. You will have no irritation in your body while using this products. And price is also reasonable. I had one more kurti that is in this color, laminish color with some floral prints. It's a short kurti and this is also in reasonable price. If I will share their link in my description box below. You can check it out if you like them. And believe me, guys, I bought them only in 1,000 rupees, and I paid only 70 or 70 rupees like that for delivery charges and nothing else. This oxidized jewelry, I bought it from Amazon. It came in this box itself. This is the jewelry. This is the neck piece. I was searching for this jewelry for a month, and I have searched many places, many online links, but always so costly. Amazon is so reasonable. I got it Amazon in such a reasonable price. I got it in 350 rupees. Now it is almost 400. Still it is reasonable, because why I'm saying, when you go to market to buy this, you will not get it below 500 rupees. And if you like this, I will share the link of this jewelry too in my description box. You can go and check it out. With this, you can't say that I am in loss. With this, I got this to jhumka. Jhumka gira de Bareilly ke bazaar mein. This is the jhumka. I loved them, and the combination of this necklace and jhumka is very, very, very nice. And I have some more orders. I have ordered them. It's still to arrive. When I will get the deliveries of the products, I will surely share with you all. Since this have arrived today, so I have shared with you today itself. And the others I will share when they will arrive to me then. And now I had a random call from my sister that we are going out for a drive. So stay with me. I'm going to show you a beautiful place where we are going. This was a sudden plan, so so I need to get ready soon. And this will be my family trip. My mom and me, my aunt, my sister. We four are going. Ending this video here today. Hope you enjoyed the video a lot, and I will share the recipe ingredients even in the description box too. Please go and check it out there also. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon.